Hey traders, analyzing the charts this morning, I noticed a very peculiar pattern on pound cat pair. Here I see the inside bar formation, and in this video we'll discuss this pattern. I will teach you how to identify this pattern, how to read it properly, and how to apply that trading the financial markets. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. A very important element of the inside bar pattern formation is the so-called mother's bar. If we pay close attention to the candlesticks here on pound cat pair, look at this high momentum bearish candle. Why this candle is so important for us? Because if you follow the next candles, you can see that they are trading perfectly within the range of this high momentum bearish candle. So this high momentum bearish candle here will be called the mother's bar. And spotting the mother's bar, it is very important for you to underline the range of this candle. What do I mean by the range of the candle? We take the high of the candle based on the wick and the low of the candle based on the wick. And then you can see that all the candles are trading inside that. And what does it mean? Most of the time, such a formation tells us that the market is very indecisive. The market participants are waiting for some important trigger, and while they are waiting for the trigger, the market is consolidating. It is the so-called indecision pattern. And you can see that here, if we take the range, if we draw the range together, here is our current trading range. Yes, a narrow trading range that the price perfectly respects. What is the trigger for us right here? What is the trigger that volatility is back and bulls or bears start pushing? Here we are waiting for the violation of the mother's bar. It can be broken to the upside, it can be broken to the downside, but the main thing that we are looking for the candle close above the range of the mother's bar. Yes, if we see the violation of that, the candle close above, it will be a very strong bullish signal, and then most likely the market will keep growing to higher structure levels. Same thing with the bearish breakout. In case if we see the breakout, the violation of the inside bar formation to the downside, the candle close below, it will be a very strong bearish signal, and then the price will most likely drop sharply to the next key strong structure level. And the very important tip for you to consider, the inside bar formation can be formed on any level, yes, but it is highly preferable for us to treat this pattern, to spot this pattern, to apply this pattern for analysis, if only it is formed on a key level. Here, for example, on a pound cat pair, we spotted this pattern on a 4-hour time frame. If we open a daily chart, if we look left at structure, you can see that at the moment the price is trading very close to a major key level. Here on the left we have a very strong support cluster. Yes, and you can see that with the inside bar formation we have the indecision on a key level. Yes, and the violation of the mother's bar to the downside will signify the breakout of this key level, yes, and strong bearish continuation. And the violation of the inside bar to the upside will signify that the key structure is respected and bullish continuation will most likely come in. And I spotted one more inside bar formation, this time on dollar yen pair on 3 days chart. But first of all, as we spotted the pattern, we must execute the so-called key level check. Yes, we must look left at structure and check whether this pattern is formed on a key level. So we simply look left at structure, and yes, our condition here is met. Look at this major key level. Look at this strong structure here on the left. Definitely it is a very strong major structure. So we can apply this inside bar formation for the analysis. So let's analyze that together. And again, first of all, underline the mother's bar. Here goes our mother's bar, and it is very important to underline the range of this candle based on its high, based on the wick, and based on a low, again based on the wick. So here is our mother's bar. And so far you can see that the consequent candles are trading within the range of this mother's bar. Because this pattern formation is formed on a key level, it signifies the indecision. The market participants are waiting for some trigger. Bulls are waiting for the trigger to start breaking this major key level, and bears are waiting for the trigger to start selling from that key level. So what are we looking for right here? We will look for the violation, the candle close above or below the mother's bar. In case if we see the 3 days candle close above the range of the mother's bar, it will be a very strong bullish signal. And then most likely dollar yen will keep growing, yes, and we will see a bullish continuation to the next strong key level. In case if we see the 3 days candle close below the range of the mother's bar, it will be a very strong bearish signal, and then the pair will most likely drop to the next key level. It is very important for you to understand that here we have these two scenarios have equal probabilities. Yes, we don't know what is going to happen. It is the indecisive pattern. So for you, it is crucially important right here to be patient and wait for the trigger first before you open any trading position. Alright traders, now practice. Open the random chart and look for the inside bar formation. Remember that it must be formed strictly on the key level. Remember that your trigger is the breakout of the mother's bar to the upside or to the downside. It is a very accurate pattern, so learn to spot it. For more education, for more tips, if you want to learn candlestick pattern formations, if you want to learn the price action patterns, check my ebook, the link in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know what candlestick pattern formations do you want to learn in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching, traders.